Hello everyone, I am Manu. In this video, I am going to explain about cooling of electronic components. We all know all of our electronic devices consist of different electronic components. And this electronic component is having thermal capacity and the maximum operating temperature. Whenever the temperature exceeds the certain temperature, then it may break down the particular component or it may potentially destroy the circuit board. Hence, in order to increase the lifespan of the electronic component, we need to cool down the thermal energy which is generated by the component. There are different methods to cool down this temperature. Let's see those. The first method is by using fan we can cool down the electronic component. As you can see in here, the fan is blowing air into this electronic component. This air will pick up heat from those component and cools down it. But there is a problem associated with it. The thing is, whenever this air blown into this electronic component, the heat pickup from the first component may affect the component which appear in further path. So this may unnecessarily heat up that component which is present along its path, as you can show in this figure. Hence, we need an effective way to cool down our electronic component. One such method is this heatsink. The heatsink is made up of aluminium and it consists of fins on it. This fin will increase the surface area of the component and to allow more exposure to air. So you can increase the cooling capacity by using heatsink and fan together as shown in this figure. And the popular method which is used in laptop is this heat pipe. As you can see, this heat pipe is passing through between the processor and the fan. And this heat pipe consists of a pipe inside there is a liquid along with wick. So this liquid will get heated up once it absorbs heat from the processor. And as we know, when the liquid get heat up, it will evaporate and creates a vapor. This vapor will reach the other end of the pipe, and this vapor get condensed by the fan as this fan is blowing air surrounding this pipe. This condensed water will come back to the other end of the pipe where CPU is located, and again it will absorb heat from the processor and the cycle continues. And there is one more method for advanced cooling. So this method is called as water cooling method. In here, water or liquid is used to condense the electronic devices. So this method of cooling is most commonly observed in gaming laptops or high-end processors. This this pipe consists of liquid or a water. So this water will passing through this heat exchanger, which is present in the CPU blocks and another in radiator. So the fan which is associated with radiator will cool down this heat exchanger and remove the unwanted heat from the liquid or water. So this why this method is more efficient than other method is the water is having a high heating capacity than air. Thank you.